Hi, I just pulled this out of the box. It is the stand mixer by Whall or Whale. I hadn't heard of the brand. Most of us know Kitchenaid and we're not sure about this, so I thought I would do a video review because I went through a lot of the reviews and most of them were positive. So I've plugged it in, and this is one of the 3 attachments, and they're not super heavy, which I think is great if you have a kid learning to cook, or if you're learning to cook, this is probably the best first mixer ever. These pop on with 2 hands. You hold the top of this and pop this on with the spring assistance too, but it comes off with 1 hand. And this is also pretty sturdy, and then there is this guard that screws onto this. So this guard doesn't sit on the bowl, but it is shaped like the bowl, and it sits really securely on the bowl, and it has this that pops open where the pouring spout is. And it comes with a spatula that reaches all the way down into the bowl. So pretty useful. This button here, you can press it and it pops open, and then I need 2 hands because you press it and hold it to push this back down and lock into place. This is a demonstration of the noise levels. So level 1 is decent. It's not bad. It's not super loud. And this is about how fast it's going. This is 5. And then if I go all the way up to 12, all right, and there's suction cups on the bottom, so it's not going anywhere when you pop this open and you're messing with the bowl. This isn't really going anywhere. It'll slide maybe, but it doesn't pop up and come with it. The bowl locks into place as well and has 2 handles, and again, it's not super heavy. My daughter is learning to cook, and I am not concerned about her lifting this or using it to pour or making bread or cookies or cake. So if you pop this off, this has a printed instruction on it that says lock and unlock. It slides up. It slides up here. And it too has grooves, and it just slides into place. And then if I press the button and I pull it down, it fits super securely on. I don't see it making a mess at all. It has a seal that goes all the way around, and I didn't take it off or mess with it or anything. So there you go. There's 3 attachments and 1 very solid mixer that I look forward to using.